Just do it slow, okay? Because if it rolls, you got to jump out of the way. All right?
Yep.
You jack it up until that wheel's off the ground.
If I can.
Huh?
If I can.
If I yell, you run toward the tent. Jump toward the tent.
Why?
Because that means the truck's falling. Keep going.
This is harder than I thought.
Yeah, it's hard. Put your ass into it. Your whole weight. Huh? No. Okay, now look under the tires. Are there air under both tires? Or just the outside one?
Just outside.
Okay, keep going until there's air under the other one, and then we're done. Let's go slow. That's why I'm putting new tires on it, because it's wasted. Watch the line. Okay, that's fine right there. So you can see the dually wheels. Oh shit, we don't even have to take those ones off.
Why?
Huh? Because of the way it was. But, figures I'm not jacked up high enough. Motherfucker. Just step back in case it falls, okay? Okay, turn it off. So you guys wondering, it's a stock rear end. Right. It's got this adapter that plugs the wheels together. I don't want that near my camera though. Stand back. Okay. What the hell? Okay, this one's fucked. We need to find another one. Shut it off. Yeah, I think it needs a new tire. It's fucking amazing.
Maybe, Dad. Just maybe.
What? I had to get all these in the back of the S10 with those other tires.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
We might not be able to do that.
We'll figure it out. Get the adapters off because they're kind of corroded on. Just stand back. I think that worked. Because they won't be able to get the wheels up. Yeah, it worked. Okay, shut it off. Is it going? Okay, these are the dually adapters. 6 to 5 lug. They're beefy as hell. Okay, Pat wants to try it. Wait. You hit it right there once, as hard as you can. Do it again. Stop. Yep, it broke loose. You're good. You got it. 2 hits.
Like.
Yeah, no, perfect. Nope, other side. Yeah, you're wrapping it around. See, and then you loop it.
And then I move out of the way.
Yep, and then pull some more. There you go.
Wait.
Never folded a hose before, or rolled a hose. Okay, take them out and just stack them up over behind you so we can get the dually wheels in.
You're good.
Yeah, just lay them down. That's fine. We just need to be able to walk in between the truck and the tailgate, or the tailgate and tires. It's going to be cool when you get those on because we'll be able to slam the back of it like 5 inches.
What do you mean?
Lower the back 5 inches so it'll sit on the ground and it'll look cool, not stupid.
Ow.
Bonk. Figures I can't get the last one in there and still have the thing shut. Bed cover, whatever. Fuck.